Hello investors, welcome to another episode here on my YouTube channel. If you're new here on my YouTube channel, my name is Jason and I'm a property specialist of Megaworld at the Fort. And today, I'm gonna show you the construction update of one of our pre-selling project in Fort Bonifacio and here in Uptown Bonifacio, the Uptown Arts Residence. Is actually the construction of Uptown Arts Residence. Currently, it's at 30th floor as of April 2023. Uptown Arts Residence is a 45-story luxury condominium that will complete the residential lane here in Uptown Bonifacio. So that's the mark of the Department of Transportation for the Metro Manila Subway project here in BGC. In BGC, there will be two stations. One is in Kalayaan, here in 11th Avenue, Uptown Bonifacio. So right now, I'm here actually at the University Parkway, corner 11th Avenue, where Uptown Parade is located, where we can find all these marks for the Metro Manila Subway project. You know what? Uptown Arts Residence is just at 9th Avenue. Right here is the 11th Avenue where the Metro Manila Subway project will be located, which is the Kalayaan station. So, I'm actually here in Uptown Parade and behind me is the Uptown Arts Residence. This is JP Morgan and there are units available here. These are Unit I, this is H, this is G, and this is F, which is an executive 2-bedroom here in Uptown Arts Residence. So, we're going actually to the park. We're going to the park. This is Andres Bonifacio Park. We're gonna cross. So this is Uptown Parade. This is the residential condo in front of Uptown Arts, and yeah, definitely a good view. And now I'm here at the Andres Bonifacio Park, which is in front of Uptown Arts Residence. You know what? Uptown Arts Residence is facing actually Uptown Parade, Uptown Park Suites, and the Mitsukoshi Mall here in the 8th Avenue. So that's the construction update of Uptown Arts Residence. If you're interested, if you want to get the remaining units, well, feel free to message me using my contact details below. Again, I'm Jason. I'm a property specialist of Megaworld at the Fort. See you on my next vlog. Invest with the best.